Hey there guys, welcome back to Drew's house. Now this is the first thing I bought for the house. It's an 8-channel, 4-camera Reolink security camera system with, I think there's 2 terabyte hard drive, but I'll check that when I get in there. Now I got this from Amazon for £277 and it's gone up now unfortunately, sorry people. What I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox this and we'll give it a little look. And I'm going to do an installation for it as well, so that'll all be on the video. Maybe not this one, certainly I'm going to do another video, if not on this one. So let's get into it and see what's in this. Right, let's have a look. 2 boxes. One must be cameras, I guess, I imagine. And the system. Okay, let's have a look. We'll start with this one. There's a nice neat little box. We'll just pop that up there for now. We'll see what else is in this little box. We've got a HDMI cable. Probably some more cables, let's have a look. Right. We've got our RGA cable, RGB, can't remember. And power cable. Oh, looks like we've got 2 different types of power cables because it's obviously for, maybe it's sold in Europe and the UK. I'm not sure if that's a European plug, but we don't need that, so put that back in the box. And there's our UK power lead, which is actually pretty short by the look of it. Let's just have a quick look at this. Box. Wow, that is short. That's probably 500 or 600 mil long. That is short. Anyway, never mind. We've got our power brick. Luckily, the lead on that for the power supply looks to be a lot longer, probably a good few meters there, so that's handy. Put that in the box for now. I just want to see what's in here. And a mouse. Super cheap mouse, probably won't use this because they tend to be a bit cheap and tacky, although I guess they work okay. USB. Okay, right, let's see what else we've got. Let's look at the cameras. Looks like a manual and a little template for fixing the cameras to the wall. Looks like it's self-adhesive, so oh yeah, there's 4 of those because I've 4 cameras. There's 2 cameras there. What have we got? We've got what looks to be power cable there. That looks like our RGB, RGA, I can't remember which one it is, sorry guys. And that looks like an optical cable, but I don't think it is. That could well be. Anyway, there's 2 of them, one for each camera. Let's have a look at the cameras. Now these are 4K cameras. They swivel around on the plate. Decent range of movement there for up and down, and hopefully you can take the back off of there so that you can have this cable coming out through the middle. I'm pretty sure you can, I've seen that somewhere. Right, let's put those back in. So we've got 4 of those, and we've got 4 of these. I'm pretty sure these are 20 meters long. Let's see what we've got here. We've got some, open it up, see what it is. Whatever they are, there's 4 of them, 1 for each camera. So, some little rubber O-rings in there. So they must be something to do with sealing it. I guess that's for the cables to come out of. Worry about that later on. We've got another one of these. We've got some plugs and screws. fixing the cameras. We've got 4 of these cables, and there's our next 2 cameras, and that's everything. What I want to do next for you guys is to set this thing up so you can see it works. So I'm just going to peel off that plastic cover just so we can see the camera there. Quite a nice little camera. It's got up written there, so that's the way it has to go up. What I decided to do was I thought I would try this to make sure it works before I actually install it, just in case it doesn't work and then we're installing something that needs to get sent back or whatever. So what I've done, I've got hold of this old TV which I got from Marketplace for £10. It doesn't work as a TV, but it works as a monitor, so that's great for me. Exactly what I want. So we're going to plug the HDMI lead in there and plug it into the back of the box. And we'll plug this end into the back of the box. We've got our power lead, plug that in. I'm not sure how this gets set up, but let's just connect everything first and we'll see what happens. Now I've got one of the cameras here, just one, with that connected. I'm hoping that that's the only lead you need to connect, because there doesn't appear to be anything in the box to connect to these 2. So we'll have to see what happens. Anyway, let's connect that to there, and we will power up the TV. Monitor, I should say, and get that turned on. We'll turn this on and we'll see what happens. Now I'm just going to take this screen protector off the camera. Okay, so what we've got, as you can see, we've got our language. So let's actually, this isn't the right remote control, that's for the TV, so that's not going to work. We can get rid of that. And let's plug our mouse in. Hopefully our mouse does the job for us. Our cheapy mouse. Still, as long as it works. Okay. I'm going to select English. I'm doing this left-handed, unfortunately. Sorry guys. Screen resolution. I'm going to select the highest one. Hang on. Save. Time zone. I'll worry about that later. And the date. 24 hour. And system time. Let's go into next. See what happens. Account name admin. Yeah, we'll stick to that. Let's see. We haven't got a password. I'm not going to worry about that. I'll have to come back. It's asking me for a password, guys. This is going to take a while. So I'll be back once I've got this password put in. Right, so we've got our password in. And now it's telling us we've got almost 2 terabytes of space. Well, 1848 gigabytes. So almost. Obviously it needs some space to run the system. So let's see what's next. More passwords. I'm just going to see if I can go through this. Aha, I can. So already the camera's working, so that's good. There's a picture of an upside down me, as you can see there. Well, I'm probably uglier upside down than I normally am. How's that possible? Huh? Well, I don't know. Let's see what this is. Display mode. We're going to have one big screen. And a slight delay there, as you can see as I'm talking. Right guys, now as you can see, hopefully you can see me speaking on the camera and you can see me speaking on the screen, and you can see that there is actually a slight delay, probably a second or two, not sure. And to be honest, from what I can see right now, the picture quality looks okay, but it certainly doesn't look, it's not exactly 4K. So I'm going to mess around with the settings on this and see if I can make the picture quality better, and I'll come back in a second. Right guys, so I've been into the settings. As you can see, I'm still there, and it appears that this is the I'm not sure really, but it looks to me like this is the top setting. It's got the largest numbers on there, so that's got the highest number count on the resolution, so it seems that's the highest quality. Right, so now what I wanted to do was I'm going to pop the lights off and see how the infrared thing goes and see how it works in the dark. Just show you guys what's going on. I'm just going to put it back to pops out of this thing, and then we'll get back to full screen. Right, now we're going to, now of course it's not going to be completely dark because I've got the light from the screen, so I think what I might do, oh no, that's, hang on, oh there you go. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see this guys, but I'm going to face this up to the ceiling. I'm pretty sure you can see the all the red LEDs on there now. So let's put the lights back on and we'll get back to, the LEDs are still on, now they're gone off. Right, okay, so you can see the screen there. I think the quality is pretty good. I wouldn't say it was as good as 4K, but it's definitely better than the last camera setup I had, which was I think it was supposed to be 1080 full HD, so this one's definitely better than that, so I guess to that end maybe it is 4K. Anyway, so check back on the next video where I'll be installing this, and then oh hang on, let's hide that because the delay is putting me off. Right, so you'll be able to check out the next video where I'll be installing this and see how it works completely then with all 4 cameras on there. Check out that one, keep an eye out for it, it'll be coming soon. Thanks for watching.